Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Anaplan Business Planning Review My Usage Experience. Anaplan Business Planning Review My Usage Experience offers a cloud-based platform for business planning and financial modeling. It's aimed at businesses of all sizes needing sophisticated tools for budgeting, forecasting, and performance management. Key features include model building, data integration, and reporting dashboards. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Anaplan positions itself as a powerful and flexible solution for complex planning needs. Their website highlights ease of use through a visual interface, although pricing is generally quoted on a case-by-case basis. They emphasize the strength of their underlying technology, enabling real-time collaboration and data analysis. Availability is global, and you can check their website for specifics on accessing a demo. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Anaplan Business Planning Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was well structured with helpful tutorials. The interface, while initially daunting due to its powerful features, became intuitive after spending a few hours with it. I particularly appreciated the drag-and-drop functionality for building models and the clear visualizations provided in the dashboards. I was able to create a complex sales forecast model in under a day, something that would have taken weeks using traditional spreadsheet software. Performance was excellent, data updates and calculations were near instantaneous. I had a quick question about a specific function and their support responded within 24 hours via email, providing a clear and concise solution. A standout feature for me was definitely the ease of collaboration. My team could access and update the models concurrently. One minor drawback was the learning curve. Mastering all the advanced features did take some time and dedication. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Anaplan. While it requires an initial investment in learning, its capabilities far outweigh the effort, and it has significantly streamlined our planning processes. That's my overview of Anaplan Business Planning Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.